What if your interview manager asks, "Can you walk me through how you usually set up your development environment for AI projects?" In today's competitive tech scene, where jobs are tight and skills speak louder than resumes, being able to answer that clearly can really make you stand out. So let's make sure your setup isn't just working, but impressive enough to sound confident explaining in an interview. Setting up your development environment. Alright folks, time to do the least glamorous but most important step of any coding adventure, setting up our development environment. Yeah, it's basically like stretching before a workout. Nobody brags about it, but skip it and you'll regret it later. Step 1. Make a project folder. I'm making a shiny new folder called LangChain. You can call yours whatever you like, but please, no names like final project _v2 real time. We've all been there. Now, I'll open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Pro tip, you don't need to overthink it. Just drag and drop the folder into VS Code. Boom! Instant productivity. You now look 70% cooler just by opening VS Code.
Showing that you organize your projects cleanly gives interviewers confidence that you can manage code professionally.
Step 2. Terminal time. Next up, the terminal. Don't panic, it's not as scary as it looks. What we're going to do here is create something called a virtual environment. Think of it like a little bubble where your Python project lives. All the packages stay inside this bubble, nice and contained. Without it, you're basically letting every package run wild across your computer like raccoons in a dumpster. Not recommended. Here's the magic spell. For Mac or Linux, Python 3-mvenv.venv. For Windows, Python-mvenv.venv. The little dot before venv just makes the folder hidden. It's not mandatory, but it's like tucking your socks into your shoes, it just looks cleaner. Press Enter. And ta-da! You've got a virtual environment. Achievement unlocked.
Explaining why you use virtual environments shows strong development discipline, something technical interviews value a lot.
Step 3. Activate the bubble. But wait, we're not done. Right now, your terminal is still hanging out in base mode, outside the bubble. We need to activate the virtual environment so your project knows where to install its packages. VS Code might politely pop up and ask, "Hey, want me to use this venv?" If it does, click yes. If not, no worries, you can pick it manually by clicking that little interpreter button and selecting your new venv. Once activated, you'll see venv appear on the left side of your terminal like a little badge of honor. That's how you know you're inside the bubble. Congrats, you now have a clean Python environment set up. It's like moving into a brand new apartment with zero dirty dishes.
Being able to explain these steps shows interviewers you understand real-world project setup, not just copy-paste code.
Step 4. Test the setup. To prove everything's working, let's create a simple file called chat_models_starter.py and add the line. Print "Let's learn LangChain." Run it, and boom, you should see that text pop up in your terminal. No fireworks, no parade. But trust me, this is the sweet sound of victory. And just like that, your development environment is officially ready. You are now cleared for takeoff. In the next section, we'll dive into the first, and arguably most important, part of LangChain, chat models. Grab your coffee, put on your wizard hat, and let's go.